नजर रखो, व्हाट इज माई टॉपिक?
Kinetic
काइनेटिक
energy.
अगर आपसे कोई पूछेगा काइनेटिक एनर्जी किसको हम बोलते हैं या कहते हैं, तो आपको आपके तरफ से ये जवाब होना चाहिए, काइनेटिक एनर्जी वो एनर्जी होती है जिसमें एक बॉडी मोशन में हो और मोशन करने के बाद मोशन में जो उस बॉडी में एनर्जी पाई जाती है तो उसको हम बोलते हैं। तो अंग्रेजी में हम इसको ऐसे ट्रांसलेट कर सकते हैं, द एनर्जी पोजेस्ड बाय बॉडी, द एनर्जी पोजेस्ड बाय बॉडी ड्यू टू इट इज motion, due to it is it is called
Kinetic energy.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Let me recap. There are so many ways we may define the kinetic energy. For example, I am moving like this. I am moving. If anybody will come in my direction and my body will hit to him, that person will fall down. Why? Because I am in motion. My body contains what energy?
Kinetic energy.
And that person falls due to that energy, which I called it right now kinetic energy. For example, I will give you one more example. If a leopard runs, leopard is running quickly. Leopard is in motion, which means that if leopard is running, he is able to use chase. He is able to chase or catch the prey. Prey means शिकार. वो उस शिकार को अपना बना ले सकता है, क्योंकि वो मोशन में है तो उसमें कौन सी एनर्जी पाई जाती है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ दिस फैन इज रोटेटिंग, इफ एनी पर्सन सडनली if he is a tall man and his head will touch to the fan, that person gets hurt. Why? Because the fan was in motion. It possesses at that time kinetic energy. So due to that kinetic energy, that person got injured. I will give you one more example. If a bowler is bowling to any batsman and ball hits to batsman's head, foot, whatever hand, and that person get hurt. Why? Because ball possesses
Kinetic energy.
actually ball is in motion. Whenever any body is in motion, we call that. So therefore, kinetic energy means when a body is in motion, that possesses energy, and that energy is called a. For example, one more example I will give you. For every body which is in motion, that contains. For example, aeroplane is flying over the mountains, that contains. Air is always moving here and there. No doubt that's also called wind energy. But the motion, the body which is in motion, that possesses what type of energy? And mathematically, kinetic energy is denoted by K dot. K means E means, and it is mathematically equal to 1/2 mv square. 1/2 we can translate it. अगर हमें कोई पूछेगा, अब आप काइनेटिक एनर्जी को डिफाइन करो, हम काइनेटिक एनर्जी को ऐसे भी डिफाइन कर सकते हैं, half mass square of velocity, that is also called kinetic energy. I will repeat for you. If anybody asks you question in examination, define kinetic energy. The first definition you may write there, the energy possessed by body due to its motion is called
Kinetic energy.
and mathematically kinetic energy is equal to half of mass square of velocity. Therefore, in other words, we may define kinetic energy like this: kinetic energy is equal to half of mass square of velocity. And let me tell you one thing, that is mass is directly proportional. Mass is directly proportional. Kinetic energy. It means that kinetic energy is directly proportional mass. It means that if kinetic energy increases, it means that mass increases. If mass increases, kinetic energy will be increasing or increasing. Now, one more thing. Kinetic energy is also directly proportional. Square of velocity. So kinetic energy depends on two factors or two things. One is mass, another is velocity. One is mass, another is velocity. Got the point? Got the point about kinetic energy? Thank you.